ठीक है. In India, good morning in UK. So today we have art and craft session, special session, and today's speaker is Mrs. Kavita Gupta. She is my another sister-in-law, and she will take today your class. So let's see. And there is a little other announcement. Actually, my Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj, he is still in currently he is in D-land, and actually he is on ventilator because when he is going on India to America, he affected by COVID-19 coronavirus, and because of this traveling, because of coronavirus, he is on ventilator and his condition is very critical. So everybody know kids are a similar form of God. So if you all pray for my Guru Maharaj, it more will be effective. For and he is maybe the best reason for his fast recovery. So please you all pray, and if possible, please make your video maximum 2 minutes video while you are praying to Lord for his fast recovery and send me. We will send this your offering your prayers to our temple. Okay. So after the class, I'll send some message regarding this announcement for your guidance. Okay. So let's start our today's session. Yes, Bhavi, you can start.
Yes.
You're
Hello.
most
Hi,
welcome,
everybody.
Bhavi. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Hi, everybody. Good morning. So today our session is to make the swing for the god. So first I will show you the ready my creative so that you can understand what today we are going to make. So this is for our today idea. Can everybody can see, or I have to make the little closer. So today I am going to make like this swing for the god. Okay. So shall we start now? Okay, now
First, we want your introduction, Bhavi.
okay, you want my okay. So myself Sonali. I'm living in Canada. I have two kids, and currently I was not working. Before I was working in a quality technician in a food processing industry, but due to COVID, I'm at home and we have to utilize our lockdown. So I'm doing some craft work with my kids so that they can be busy with that with their art, and we have to utilize their time instead of watching and wasting their time. So that's why I'm trying to make them busy. So that's why I'm making all this craft so that they should be also happy and they should be utilize their time in this lockdown. That is so. Now shall we start? What we are going to make today? Okay. So first thing for this, we need a glue gun. If everybody has, so it's okay. If you don't have, so then you also use the Fevicol stick, Fevicol or whatever glue you have at home. But for using this glue gun, you need a adult supervision because sometimes it will stick your hand. So better when you are using this glue gun, your adult should be there in front of you. Your parents should be there with you. And we need the sticks that's called popsicle sticks, coloring popsicle sticks. So I'm going to start this. First we have to take the 10 of this stick to make this base of the swing. Okay, so I'm counting the 10 stick. I have all coloring stick. Is it visible for everyone?
Please show your thumbs up, everybody. If is it okay for you? Okay, thanks.
Okay. So I took 10.
Thank you everybody for your response.
You can arrange in any way, whatever or whichever color you like, you can arrange it like that. There is no hard and fast rule for that. And then we have to make it in a proper order. So we have to take 2 scales so that we can arrange it in a proper order. And now I'm going to start my glue gun. So it takes at least 5 minutes to get warm up. Within that time, I will arrange another 10 of this popsicle stick, because we have to make base and top and bottom. This for the base one and another one for the roof part. You can take any color.
There is question, Bhabhi. If somebody has
Yeah.
no colored stick, then what they can do?
They can use. Is it available in the market, in the stationery shop? You will get easily. But if you will have like this, so that will also okay. Then you can paint it or color it. Okay. If
Everybody
you have
got it?
colorless.
With the sketch pen or with the paint color, you can
Yeah,
do.
whatever you have, you can color it also. But if you will get the coloring popsicle stick, so that will be better, so that you should not have to do the color and anything, and it will look attractive. So now my glue gun is going to be ready now. So first I'm arranging for the base also. Now my glue gun start.
If somebody has any question, just keep in your mind, or you can send in chat box. We will take all question in the end of session. Okay, everybody.
Yeah. Okay, now my glue gun get ready. So first I will hold it in the middle so that it should not be moved, and then I will put it my glue gun at the corner of this. Then I will stick with the another popsicle stick. And one more I will do for in the middle. This is for my base of the swing. And then I will leave it for dry, at least just for some time. I will leave it for dry. Then I will use another one.
This is also 10, na, Bhabhi? This is
Yeah,
also
yeah, 10.
stick.
All, yeah. For the roof and for the base, we have to use 10.
Okay.
And then we have to hold in the middle so that it should not be moved. And then we have to put it the glue gun at the corner, at the edge of the popsicle stick. We have to stick with the one popsicle stick, and the same we have to do on the another side. and little more I will put it so that it will be stick properly. Then I will leave it for dry because we have to cut it also in the middle. So for some time we have to leave it dry. And then for the chair, for this sitting chair, so at least initially we have to just arrange it all, whatever we need, like a roof, base, and a chair. So we have to arrange it all first, and then we have to start sticking all together.
Bhabi,
Yeah.
sorry for interrupt. Can you do and can you speak slowly because too fast for kids.
Okay. So okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So please repeat all things, whatever you done now. Please repeat once they
Okay.
are asking in chat box.
Okay.
Just repeat and show what are you done.
Yeah. Just I have made with that with the 10 popsicle stick, the base. This will be for our base, and another with the 10 popsicle stick for our roof. Okay. And now for chair, on which our God is going to be sit. So in this I will take the 8 piece of the stick. Okay, then we have to arrange it all again. We have to glue it together. And I have to cut it for this side, like
Is it possible for you, Bhabi? Can you keep your camera, arrange your camera little lower because it's not
little
proper.
lower.
हाँ, yes. हम डायरेक्ट ताकि टेबल का देख पाए अच्छे से.
Okay. Like this.
Yes, perfect. Is it okay, everybody now? Yes, I think.
Oh,
Thank you.
now is it okay?
Yes. Yes, Bhabi. Thank you so much.
Okay. So now I have taken the 8 popsicle stick and I will stick all these 8 with the another popsicle stick. So I have to cut according to that. So it is like you can say that 7 meters, 7 centimeters. So I have to cut this another popsicle stick around 7 centimeters with the scissor. And in this case, you need at least sharp scissors. So please use in front of your parents because the adult supervision should be required. So I have sticked this. Then same thing I will do for the another side. I will take one more another 7 millimeter and I will cut it. I will mark it with the marker. Can you see I have marked with the marker?
We can't see. Please show straight. Like yes. Middle. We should mark middle or center.
No, the
Okay.
center, because for the chair I took the 8 popsicle stick. So
Okay.
I just measured that I use it 7 centimeters. So then I have cut it with the, because the base that edges should be stick. All 8 popsicle sticks should be stick together. Then I cut it. Then we have to little press it hard. This part is our chair. I have to do little more here, one more side. So that when I will cut, so it should not be break. So that's why I'm sticking with double popsicle stick. Another one also 7.
Kids, there is one suggestion for you. While you're cutting stick, you are using scissors. Please take
Yeah.
your help. Take help from your parents. Okay.
Yeah, because it should be sharp. So at least your parent supervision should be required. So this is for our chair part. So we will cut it on. So for roof, now I'm going to cut it in the middle. So I will mark it with a marker for the middle. Okay. Now I'm going to cut it. Not in the middle. Is it 10 centimeters? So we should take it for the 5 in the middle of this. Is it around 6? Everybody can see. Okay, now I'm going to cut in the middle. Okay, I cut it. I divided into 2 parts for the roof. So now I'm going to stick it like this. I will stick with the another popsicle stick. And it should be movable like this. Okay. What I'm going to do, I will put it little bit inside. Then I will leave it for dry. Leave it for dry. Now this is my base. Now we have to cut this chair part also in the middle.
If somebody has any question, please no worry. We will take all question in the end of session. Okay. So whatever you have doubt or question or any query, we will take at the end of session. Okay.
Okay, then this one also I'm going to cut in the middle for making the chair for sitting the god in the. Can everybody see? Now I'm going to cut it in the middle.
It's little bit difficult to cut sticks, so please take help from your parents. Okay. I'm repeating this
Yeah,
sentence again and again.
yeah, because for this, if you are using sharp scissors, so you need your parents' help. Or you can also do that. You can cut it all this small part, and then also you can stick it. First, you need to cut it all small part, and then you have to stick together. Instead of cutting all together, you can cut one part. Because sometimes what happens when you will going to cut all together, it might chances to get break if your all popsicle stick had not stick properly together. Now I have to make like this for sitting. So what I'm going to do, I will put in my glue little more, and then I will stick it this, and then one support I will put it at the bottom so that it will give you support for support, and then I put in little more glue on the bottom. And one more support I can keep it here. Now this one also I will leave it for dry. Now next step, we have to, this is my base of this wing. Okay. So now I have to arrange all this outside. Then I will take one more screw. First I will attach this part, all four sides. Like this. This side, same, all four sides. Same thing I will do another side. You can choose any color, whichever color you like, you can choose it. Okay, can you see everything? Now, I have to cut this into two same parts so that I have to attach like this here. So that it will be support for them to hold it.
This is the base, na Bhavi?
Yeah, this is the base. I will show the model. See, this part I'm making first now, base.
Okay.
And I will give my this all four side one more support at the bottom from here, so that it will be easily hold. Press it little hard. And you can also wear the gloves while using this glue gun. You can wear the gloves also. If you have gloves, so you can wear it. Like our gloves we are having, so that you can wear that glove. So it will not stick to your hand. Is it okay for me? That's why I didn't wear it. Now I'm going to keep this. I need some space, so I have to remove this again. I need space between this, so I have to remove it. Because just same like this, I want space this side also in between these two. So I will cut it another one, like the same size of my this one. Mark it here. Because I need space in between to this triangle here.
Oh, we should keep space between both stick.
Two
Okay, okay.
triangle, yeah. Then you see here we have a space now. Okay, now I have a stick. This stick will go here, okay, so that I can hang over here my swing. my chair that's sitting in the front. So first, this is my chair. And I will first take this on this also. Okay, and then I have to put some glue on top of that. Then next, what I'm going to do, this is my base done. Now let's get make for chair first. For chair, I have to make like for holding this, for hanging this chair on top of this. So like this we have to make it. Two triangle again, small, small. Can you see that small, small triangle are there too? So then I have to attach it with this chair. So this part is of mine also ready. So I'm just keeping for some time for dry. Now I'm going to cut this two sides. So I will take two. And then I have to cut it in the middle. So that I can attach like this. Okay. This is my one, and then another one also. So be careful while cutting. Now I will attach this side, okay? First I will make some for keeping the hand like this, how we have in swing. So at least some height this side. Same side. So I will attach here first. So that it should be just folded in. Okay. So I will attach all together.
This is like a chair handle, both
Yeah,
sides.
yeah, chair.
Okay.
If you want, so you can make it. It's just for looking little bit attractive. then you have to keep it here.
How much stick we have to put here?
4
4.
means 2
Okay.
stick. Yeah, 2 stick. Then you have to cut divided into. So 2 stick you need. So it will become 4
Okay.
when you will cut it. So like this. So it will be looking like handle. Another side. Always going sticking in my hand. Then here I will attach this. Okay. Okay, can you see?
Yes.
No. This side. Okay, then one more. And another
This is
side.
for support.
Yeah, for hanging this swing.
Okay, hanging.
One more for this side. Like this. We have to make it like this. This side, then we have to leave it for dry sometime. Now for another side, same thing. Once it will dry, it will easily came out from your hand, but initially it will stick in your hand when it is hot. But when it will cool, it will easily come out.
And don't remove when it warm on your finger. Then don't try to remove from your skin. Okay.
You can also use the Fevicol instead of using glue gun, but but the glue gun is the best thing because it is quick dry and it is holding properly, because sometimes it's not getting hold or not getting stick with the Fevicol. So that's why I'm using this. But at least you should need your parents' help supervision while using glue gun. make it cross, okay, in a cross form, little upside. Or I can give one support here. So I can also keep some support this side. Both the sides should be equal. Okay. This side also I will give one support. Okay. This is, now I have to attach the rope or thread, whatever you available at your home. So I have this rope. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in a equal length. Then I will attach this rope here and make one knot. Keep some space. Okay. Don't make knot at the bottom. Make the knot here. You should keep some space. Another knot. Okay. Can you see that the gap is here? Okay. You should keep this gap so that it will, because we need to move this. So this knot will be here. Then another. Same thing we have to do for the another side. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach this and keeping it for some time dry. Can you see that? Now is it movable? Okay. We will see is it movable or not, so that according to that we can fix this rope to this stand. Okay. So both the heights are equal. No, I think this should be a little more, or this should be little up. I need this should be also little up. Okay. Both sides should be equal. The height should be equal. So I need this side little up. Okay. Now the height is equal. You want, so you can cut this extra part, or you can tie down, or you can make knot also, or if you want to cut, you can cut also. Okay, now this is my roof. Okay, so now I have to attach this. I have to glue this one now. So what I'm going to do, first I have to keep some support here. Okay, can you see the first I had make that support. So to that support, I will stick my this roof. Okay, is it visible for everyone?
Yes, I think because it's very visible for me.
Okay, can you see that? You can cut this excess part here if you want, so you can cut it also. Then this side also, I have to glue my roof. Okay, so our swing is now ready for the bond. And then I have to attach one thread here or rope to make the swing here. Okay, so I have a pipe cleaner. This is called the pipe cleaner. I will show you. Or if you don't have this, so you can also use your rope thread so that you can tie here both the side, so it will be easy to move. Okay, so you can use rope also or thread, whatever available or if you want. But I have a pipe cleaner, so I'm using this pipe cleaner both the side.
Can you keep
Because
this thing in
for
front of camera? We can't see this. Yes.
okay, yeah, this is
Yes.
the pipe cleaner. I'm using this because for this I don't have to make the knot. Just I have to fold it because it's having inside the foil like a wire. You can say that aluminum wire. So it is easily move. Just if I will move it, so it will lock. You can also use rope also if you want. So you can use rope. Whatever available, you can use it. Can you see that? Then
We
you
can
can,
also use the lace.
yeah, less
Lace
also
or
you can use
ribbon.
whatever.
Ribbon. Yes.
Yeah, ribbon, whatever you have, you can use it. And then you can just do it like this. I will Stick my board here. Okay. If you will type 1, so it is also okay. No need to type 2 also. Okay, so that you can make it in the middle also if you want. So if it will be in the middle, so it is easy to move. Okay, here, like I will show you. Here I am attaching this with the blue ball. Can you see that? Like this. Okay. I am going to remove this my side one. It's our choice where we want to tie the rope. Okay, I touch it here so that I can move here. Then here I will place my board. This is the Jagannath Baba. Okay, is it visible for everyone?
Jai Jagannath, Jai Baldev, Jai Subhadra.
Yeah, Jagannath. You can play any god, whichever you like. You have to make them swing. If you also you can put your toys, doll, anything you can put. Because my daughter, she is keeping her doll here and she's making her swing. Okay.
Yes, yes.
If you want to make it decorate, so you can.
Bhabhi, sorry for interrupt. Actually, पीछे से sunlight आ रहा है, तो please can you?
Yeah, I will close the curtain.
Yeah.
Because
please
now
close the
here
curtain.
morning, because now here early morning begins, so the sun came out. Okay, I'll put on the curtain.
Yes, thank you.
The sun is also giving the light to the garden. Now is it
Thank
okay?
you. Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Okay. Or actually, I had made lots of stuff with the popsicle stick. So there are the ideas. So I will show you all the ideas. But now I think we don't have a time. We have a time here to make any chair.
Yes, we have 35 minutes, and first for 5 minutes we are going to take question on this craft. Okay. So if somebody has any question, please raise your hand. So I will unmute one by one. If somebody has a question regarding this swing, okay? So please raise your hand. I think you are very good teacher. Nobody has any question.
No, I'm not that much good. If you want to make it more attractive, so you can use your all glitter or like this. What you can
Decoration material.
Yeah, decoration material. Because my daughter she's doing sometimes decoration, so she had kept all the stuff. If you want, so you can stick it like this everywhere, so it will become more attractive. Okay. You want to make attractive or look charming your that swing, so you can stick it also. I will show you. Because my daughter, whenever I'm bringing any material, she's just using all the materials. She's keeping all mix and match. I have like this. You can use it all anything. So you can stick it here anywhere, so it will be attractive. Or you can decorate also your swing any way you want.
So if somebody has any question, please raise your hand.
Or we can also make here like in a temple we are having some kind of decoration material, so you can also make it there. I will show you. See, and the another idea is that we can also make the chair like bench. She broken. I think my daughter had broken all the stuff. This and table. What my daughter is doing? Just I'm sharing her idea. What she's doing? She's skipping her benches and the two chair. Then she's skipping her doll. I'll show you how she's playing. These all are the ideas. She has her stuff. I will show you this if you want. She's skipping here all the chairs and she's you can say that it's a tea party or she's doing like this. She's skipping her all the dolls here like everywhere and then she's skipping here tea, making a tea party like that for all the dolls. Can you see that? She's skipping like this everywhere all the doll and she's making them tea party. You can make anything actually with the popsicle stick. She's skipping like this and then she's making them to have a tea party like that. She's playing like this. Actually, making these benches and chair is very easy.
Tea means herbal tea, okay, everybody.
Yeah, whatever you can say that they are just having one kind of chatting or like that. She's making them to sit. She's playing anyway she wants. She's playing with them. Okay. So.
Oh, very nice. And one more stuff we made the house with this popsicle stick. We made the house also. Yeah. So like this. These all are the ideas. You can make lots of stuff, whatever you like. Okay. So I think nobody has any question on this topic, on this swing.
Okay. Yeah.
So we are going to start another.
Like chair. Okay, I will show you how to make the chair because making chair is very easy and it will take less time also. So can you see that you can make it attractive if you want to make your swing is more attractive. So you can just attach all this glitter or whatever you will have. Okay.
Okay.
So shall we start now chair?
Yes. Table or chair or only chair?
Well, because now how much time we left?
We have only half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah.
So let's see what we can do in half an hour.
Yeah.
At least we can try the chair. Okay.
Yeah.
You can decorate also. Okay, all kids. You want to decorate, just decorate. I had not decorated, but you decorate if you have any stuff. So material you can decorate. So it will look more charming. So for making, okay, I will show you for first making bench or for making benches, we need 4. And you know this all these benches and chairs I have made with the wasted popsicle stick. Whenever my kids are having the ice cream, so I'm not throwing this all stick. I'm just keeping it. I'm washing and I'm keeping it so that I can use in future. So I had used in future and I made all this stuff. Like I did the recycle all this with this all the popsicle stick. So for this making benches, first we need 4 at the bottom. I need to start. Is it visible now for everyone?
Yes.
Five optical stick I had used. Then another 5 for back support. This is for sitting, another 5 for the back support. Okay. We have to hold it in the middle so that it should not be movable. Hold the corner. Then another popsicle stick I have to leave it, keep it for drying for some time. Okay, now another.
How much stick we took in this?
5.
5. Okay.
Yeah. How much big you want to make your bench, that much you can use it.
Okay.
It's up to us how much big we want our bench to be big. Big means you can say that it will just increase the, what you can say, that it will not, it will just increase the height and this side, but so this length will not increase because our optical stick have only 11 centimeters, so height will not, that length will not going to increase. It has limited seat. You can say it has limited seat.
Only 2 person can sit at a time.
Yeah, limited seater. Leave it for dry. I'm going to cut this part. First, I will attach in the middle for the support. Then I'm going to cut it the extra part here. Okay, then you can attach to like this. Okay, so first we will make the leg. 2 leg we have, another 2 leg for this support. Okay, so like this it will attach here. So I will attach here. I will glue this side. Actually, if you have a glue stick, so you can make it more modern, whatever you want, you can make it, because glue stick is easy to stick anything. It is easily sticking. With the Fevicol and all the stuff, it's not getting stick. Initially, I also don't have a glue gun, but then I went to market and I buy it. Now 2 legs. Leave it for dry sometime. Okay. Then we will check here that the height of this leg. Okay, I think it is we can compare. Okay, we have to compare with our first leg so that we can attach the another leg here. I need some support to be make it dry. Yeah, I have to use one more stick. Actually, if you will use double, so it will be easy to stand. Single also you can use, but if you will use double, so it will give best support to our bench.
Hmm.
Okay. Just for drying, it takes some time. I have to use one more stick here. Our bench is almost ready. Okay. Okay, let's see now. Now it doesn't stick now. It will take. It is not dry now. So once it will dry, then stand. Okay, our bench is ready already, but just I kept it for dry sometime. The same way you can make the table. Making table is also like very easy. Just you have to use the 10 popsicle stick, then make the 4 legs, and okay,
Yes.
4 legs, and in the middle you can also stick 1 leg, so it will give the best support for the middle. And 10 popsicles. See, you can see that how I had made it. Okay, like
Now I
this.
think anybody can take idea from to see this, because
Yeah,
we can see you took 10 stick for base,
yeah.
for
Making
and
table.
two for
Yeah,
keep
four
holding,
legs
and
because
four
for
legs double
yeah,
stick.
4
Yes.
legs. Yeah, 4 legs.
Yes.
Just make first how I made the base for the swing. So just make it like that base and attach the popsicle stick so that it will hold all the 10 popsicle stick, because for holding we need another popsicle stick. Okay, right? So we have to attach it all, and then 4 legs. So it should be stand, and then you can. I think our this bench is yeah. Can you see that? Can everybody see that?
Yes.
Our bench is ready. So you can make it like a table or a chair, and then you can play with your god or toy, you can play with that and there. In the garden, you can sit them all, play them all, make the garden. Means you can just use your idea, whatever you want to make, you can make it. So Priya, now how much time we left?
We have 15 minutes more, and
So
I think it's yeah. Yes, Abhi. Yes, you continue. Yes, are you saying something now? हरे कृष्णा भाभी.
yeah, Hare Krishna sir.
हाँ, कहिए आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
No, no, nothing. I'm not saying anything. I'm just asking how much time will we have more now?
Or
How
we
much
have
time?
something to do, or our today's activity completed.
Yeah, because I think this much idea is enough for the kids. Because at least if we give them more ideas, so might they get confused. So better
Yeah.
we have
Yes,
to
yes,
give them
yes,
this much
yes.
idea.
Yes, everybody. I think today is sufficient. We learned
Yeah,
one is swing, that is taking much time, table, chair, bench, so
yeah,
many things we learned today. And you have to complete a task with the help of this
yeah.
video. I'll send you this video in the group, and you can use this video while you are making, you are getting some confusion. Then with the help of video, you can do it, okay? And one again, I want to announce one announcement. Please pray for my beloved Guru Maharaj. His Holiness Bhakti Char Swami Maharaj. He is currently in D-Land, America, and he is on ventilator. His condition is very critical. So please pray, because kids are the form of God in this earth. Okay. So, and please send me a video while you're praying to Lord Narsingha and Lord Krishna. Please send me a video, 1 minute, 2 minute video, and I send this video to my temple. Okay.
Yeah, sure. We will send it.
And if possible, I'll send you one recording how we can pray to Lord. I think this is better if you can your own way. Okay. I think it's much better. So just pray to Lord for our Guru Maharaj.
Yes.
And we will chant 3 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra for our Guru Maharaj fast recovery. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, 2 times more, and I'm going to unmute all. Okay, everybody.
Okay.
Please unmute yourself, everybody. Okay, I think
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
first we will pray, then we will talk. Okay, everybody. First we will pray for Guru Maharaj.
Hare
Okay.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Please repeat. Please recite with me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare Krishna
Rama,
Mataji.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One more time. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. His Holiness Bhakti Swami Maharaj ki. Thank you, everybody. Now, please, if somebody has any question, ask one by one. Okay. So I'm taking your name one by one. Prathita Das, Do you have any question? Okay. Hanish, do you have any question, Hanish? Okay. Shambhavi, Vivan, आपको कुछ पूछना है बेटा? And Bhavya Singh. Okay. Javardhan, Eva. Okay. Padma Shri, Padma Priyadashri. Do you have any question, beta?
Yes.
Yes, yes, beta.
How can we make a chair?
What?
Okay, ask.
Chair.
Yes.
Okay, how can we make chair? He's asking.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Chair. See how we made this chair for this Baldev Maharaj swing chair. So the same way you have to first take suppose 5 popsicle sticks. I will just show you the demo. Then you can just do it like this. Just suppose you can take the 5 popsicle sticks. Okay, suppose you took the 5. Then you have to stick all them together. Okay, you have to stick all them together. Then cut it in the middle. The same way we made for this swing. Cut it in the middle. Do we have still time, Priya, or not?
You can show demo. We
Demo.
can take. We have 5 minutes for this.
Okay, so if you want, so okay, I will show him the chair also. If you want to see the chair. So just I took the 5, then I have to cut. Like this. I'm showing for the chair. Actually, making chair is very easy. It will take less time also. Just it taking time to make it dry. That's it. And then see, I had attached all this. Then you have to cut it in the middle. Okay. Then the cutted part, one is up and one is the bottom for sitting, like this. Same way the bench, how the bench is there. You have to make it here. You have to attach it, and then you have to attach the 4 legs, like this 4 leg. How the legs are there, a 4 leg. Are you getting it or not? Are you getting it? Can you see? You can just attach the 4 leg then. I think I will show you. Basic for the chair. Can you see that? Now the 4th leg. Okay.
Okay.
And then you have to attach the leg just to make it stand. So do I have to attach the leg also, or this much is okay?
I think now they can do. They know how
They
to
can do
attach
that?
the leg
Yeah,
because
just
they
leg
already
you have to
seen in
attach.
a swing and as well as in a bench.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah. So anyone has doubt? No.
Okay, if somebody has any question, you can mute yourself, everybody.
If anybody need more explanation,
ले जाकर नहीं हो रहा क्या यहाँ में तो कैमरा कैमरा ऑन है यहाँ
हमारा क्लास अभी तक चल रहा है।
Okay, Hare Krishna. I think we
Yeah.
have to say thank you to
Hare Krishna,
our
Mataji.
speaker. Thank you so much,
Hare-
Abhi, for your wonderful session. It was really very
Yeah.
nice.
thank you.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, thanks you too.
And thank you everyone
It
for
is
joining
very
this
nice.
session. See you next week on same time, same day, next Sunday.
Okay,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna, everyone. See you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank
you,
you.
dear.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So Priya, now I can also leave.
Yeah.
Can
We
I-
all are going to leave.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for joining.
to you,
Thanks for your
everybody.
support. Yeah, bye bye. Have a good day. Good night. Hare Krishna.